Assalamu alaikum. How are you, viewers? Hope you all are fine. And today I will show you how you can create a wonderful intro of your video, text intro of your video. For this, you have to click on videos, select the dimension. Before start of video, you have to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos. Let's start our video. First of all, change the color of the background to black. Take a text right here, welcome. Change the uh, just increase the size of the text up to this. Change the color of the text. After changing the color of the text, duplicate the text and adjust. Now go to effects, select this one background, reduce its roundness to 0 and spread to 5, and the change color to green. Now change the color of the text to white. Go to show layers, click on layers, show layers. Here is 3 layer. First of all, the first layer, you have to animate the first layer. Go to pen wipe. Direction is this, and click on both. Reduce the speed parallel to this ground. Okay, reverse exit animation. Okay. Now again click on here, 3 dots, layers, show layers, and the second layer. In the same way, animate this, wipe both, reduce the speed to this, and click on reverse exit animation. 3 dots, show element timing. It's up to 1.5 second. And the second layer from the middle of the first one, like this. Now again come to here, go to text, add a heading right here, professional. uh, Change the font, Alice. Increase the letter spacing, animate, rise both, reduce the speed, exit reverse animation. Next, go to elements, shape, animate, rise, both, reduce speed, and on reverse exit animation. Click on text, add a heading, video ads, change the font to Anton, increase the size of the font, change the color, here, see, now go to animate, and both direction, reverse animation. Next, go to element, select the shape, duplicate, we add brands, change the font, expand, equalize with the line, change the color to orange, animate, and both, reduce speed to this, exit reverse, and pan, reduce speed, change the direction, click on both, and reverse animation. Animate this one. Now you have to go to video promo. I have selected this video, replace background, playback, increase the speed, trim, okay, enter a text, go to effects, roundness, separate, go to animate, click on stop. Next, short video ads, color, change to this color, go to elements, select this one and add this. Double click on it and adjust the object in it. Go to animate, click on pan, direction, reduce the speed, let the short video ad, animate, no. Select the transition. First of all, match and move. Next is also match and move. Flow and step. Now we have to add an audio. Go to uploads, audio, console. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, share my channel, subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Allah Hafiz till my next video.